Hello everybody, this is Craig and you're computing with Craig. What we're going to do today? Well, we are going to be creating a Windows 11 install on an external hard drive. We are going to be using a program called Rufus to place an ISO image on an external hard drive. The way we're going to be doing it is we're not actually going to create an installation media. What we are actually going to be doing is creating an actual image of Windows and running it from an external hard drive. The hard drive I'm using is let's get it out, is a Kingston 512 gigabyte SSD. It's a SK600 512G. So let's go ahead. Right, so log on to it. Get that off. Right, so what we're going to do first is I want to show you how to download Rufus. So what we're going to do is go onto Edge, type in Rufus. First option that comes up, Rufus, create bootable USB drives, the easy way. Select that. I'm going to go down to download. Now there's a few options here. The option we are after is Rufus 3.14 portable. It's the second option down and we're going to select that, and it's up the top there, and it's that one there. But I'm not going to use this one. I'm going to use the one I've already got here. So as you can see, Rufus 3.14 portable. So what we're first going to do is drive properties. As you can see, there's no device selected. Right, what we need to do for this, because it's an external hard drive and not a USB memory stick, is we're going to go to Show Advanced Drive Properties and List USB Hard Drives. So what it does is list USB hard drives, and we've got my Kingston SSD. We're then going to go to boot selection. On the right hand side, it's got click to select or download an image. So we're going to click that. Now my images are on my desktop, so I'm going to go to this PC and click on desktop. And then I'm going to select the image I want, which is 22000.51. Open. Right, I'm then going to go to image option and select Windows to go. I want a GPT partition scheme on a target system of UEFI. I'm going to go to the format options, and then I'm going to rename the partition to Windows 11, just going to put SSD. So check to see NTFS file system, correct, cluster side default, and then I'm going to click on start. Right, it's going to ask me, please select the version of Windows you want to install. Right, you can only install from Windows 11 Pro upwards. So Windows 11 Pro, Windows 11 Enterprise, Education, Enterprise Multi-Session, or Internet of Things Enterprise. So we're going to just select Pro. It will not let me install Windows 11 Home. And then OK. So there's another, one and all device data on device Kingston SSD 512 will be destroyed. Do you want to continue? Okay. So yeah, that's fine. Don't know why Windows 11 keeps on doing that. It never used to happen on Windows 10, but on Windows 11, obviously because it's a new version of Windows, it does that. It comes up, D is not accessible. So here we go. It's formatted the partition, and it's now applying the Windows image. So as you can see, it's just treating it as a hard drive. One thing with this one, it takes a bit longer compared to creating the installation media, because it's basically using the image from the installation media to create Windows. Only problem I have with this is I don't have a Windows 11 Pro product key, so I will not be able to activate it. Albeit said, you also need your installation drivers as well. So whatever device you are on, you would need to go onto the manufacturer website for either your OEM system or your drivers for your motherboard, CPU, graphics card. You would need all them drivers, because Windows will only install the basic drivers, and it won't recognize some things. And we are 50% through. You can scroll all the way to the end if you like. That is not a problem. I'm just going to check on the drive. I use a program called Disk Info. It's Crystal Disk Info. It doesn't affect. Right, so there, as you can see, it's a Kingston SKC 600 512G, 512 gigabytes, SSD. Temperature's good. There's no issues with it. At the moment, it's on UASP. So everything looks good on that side. I am going to do a couple of videos in the future. One of them is going to be a little fun one. Something would find a little bit fun. One of the things I'm going to do is use a notepad to create scripts. So I'll be doing that in the future. So we are about nearly finished now. Yep, we are finished. So all we do is click on close. It's just like a normal hard drive. There we go. Only difference is, if you look at the hard drive, to click that off. Oh, it hasn't done it, that's all. So what we're going to do is we're going to restart the computer, and I'm going to boot from the external hard drive. So restart. Getting a nice cup of coffee there. Right, what we need to do is, I need to be fast enough on this, because if I don't do it fast enough, it'll boot to the wrong thing. Right, so what I'm going to boot to is EFI boot. Now this will be running entirely off the SSD. might take a bit quicker than I did when I did it on my last video. Again, make sure I select the right drive. And Windows 11 is boot up. There we go. Right, so we do the United Kingdom. Yes. United Kingdom. Do you want S? No. Right, I haven't got any network connected at the moment. I'm gonna have to connect it because it won't let me do anything until I've connected. There we go. I don't know why that is. Right, so because it wants to update, that's why. Right, so license agreement, yeah. Accept. Name my PC. So I'm gonna name this. Win 11 for Windows 2 Go. Next. And we're booting again. It's the only thing about Windows that it likes to reboot a lot during the installation or the setup part. Keep you on your toes. Right. Sign in options. Let's add Microsoft account. Right, I've just signed in with a Microsoft account. I never used to have to do that. I used to be able to We're setting this one up as a new device. Yeah. Actually, no, because it's a Windows to go hard drive. Required only. Yes. Definitely not. Don't like targeted advertising. Right, so we're going to go, because I'm using a professional one, I'm going to say creativity. Yeah, we're going for them all. And business, accept. We could skip that, but oh, what happened there? Interesting. I've never had that happen before. No thanks to that. Checking for more updates. Hi. Well, we're getting things ready for you. Champion. Wait, this might take a few minutes. Well, I've got plenty of time. I'm doing a video. We're almost there. Champion. And yay. Windows 11. There we go. Right, so there we go. Windows on an external SSD. All set up. If you have any comments or suggestions, if you could please leave them underneath the video. I will reply to them. Also, if you like this video, please like it with a big thumbs up. If you want to see more videos from myself, please subscribe. I'm more than happy to do more videos. Like I say, I'm gonna be doing a video with a bit of fun in it, doing scripts. So that'll be a nice thing to see. So there you go, Win 11 Pro, Windows to go, about this device. There we go, Windows 11, oh, wow. Interesting. Very interesting. Let's install Windows 11 Home. I shouldn't have done that. In that case, I just want to check activation state. There we go. Oh wow. Now, you saw me select Windows 11 Pro. I'm assuming because this computer has Windows 11 Home activated with a digital license already on the computer, it automatically installs. But we are on the external SSD. It's thrown me off that. I shouldn't have done that. It might be because this is an insider version that you're able to do that. I don't know. But there we go. Windows 11 SSD. Well, maybe it'll get patched in the future updates, or in the release version. It might get patched. I wonder why it needed a network, because it's only Windows 11 Home that you need the network for. Oh, why? But like I said, any comments or suggestions, please leave them below. I would gladly reply to them. Also, again, if you like this video, please like. If you don't, thumbs down, and click that little bell for future videos. If you want to be notified of future videos, to subscribe. Thank you very much, and hopefully see you in the future.